Hi to everyone. Today, we'll introduce the RP2350 chip, launched by Rasberry Pi. It is the successor to the previously popular RP2040. Default, the RP2350 features a dual-core processor. One can choose between a dual-ARM Cortex-M3 or a dual-hazard 3 RISC-V RVB21 IMAX architecture. The nominal main frequency is 150 MHz, compared to the dual-core 133 MHz Cortex-M0 Plus processor of the RP2040. The RP2350 has seen a significant improvement in computing power. This chip is equipped with 520 kilobytes of on-chip SRAM memory, compared to the RP2040's 264 kilobytes. There is a significant enhancement, suitable for more complex applications. Also, the highly praised programmable IO/PIO peripherals on the RP2040 have been increased from 2 sets 8 channels to 3 sets 12 channels. The RP2040 has been noted to have some shortcomings in security features. It lacks one-time programmable OTP memory, is also lacked of encryption capabilities. In light of this, the RP2350 has been engineered with a strong emphasis on security. It incorporates ARM Trust Zone technology. It also supports optional boot signing and decryption features. It can provide a more secure, embedded computing environment. It provides security assurance for commercial products. Interestingly, the RP2350 also integrates an on-chip DC-DC converter to power the core. Compared to an LDO, its cost will undoubtedly be higher. However, its power consumption can also be reduced. Unlike the RP2040, which only offers a single package option, the RP2350 offers multiple packaging options, including versions with 30 GPIOs and 48 GPIOs, versions with 30 GPIOs and 48 GPIOs, and some models integrate 2 MB of stacked flash memory, suitable for designs with limited space or security requirements. In terms of software, the RP2350 maintains a high level of compatibility. With the RP2040, they both utilize the same CC++ SDK. Of course, Micropython is also supported. Let's look forward to future developments.